Okay mga ka-G, nakatapos na natin itong budget meal na PC game na binuild natin na nakaraang episode. Ito yung part 2 na ngayon nilalagyan na lang natin siya ng mga games. Ayan, ng games. Tapos na-install na natin siya ng Windows. Tapos nalagyan na natin siya ng games. Ayan, nag-install pa tayo ng PUBG. Tapos ng Valorant. Nagsabay ko na. Ayan, tinatagyan natin siya ng Valorant. Tsaka ng PUBG, meron na siyang Counter-Strike. Lalagyan pa natin siya ng ibang games. Tapos pakikita ko sa inyo yung finished product nito. Tapos mag-benchmark tayo ng mga ilang games nito. Tapos yun, pwede na tong gamitin. Sa mga kabili nito, goods na to. Plug and play na lang to. Ayan na yung RGB nya. Yan. Pakikita ko sa inyo ng mas maganda. I-montage na natin tong PC build na ginawa na natin. Let's go!
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Remix off the corner with the money I got.
When I turn it on, so you wanna.
Let's go.
For the Boston Celtics, at the 2 and the 3, Brown and Tatum. Robert Williams out there with Al Horford, and it's Smart in at the point. And for the Warriors, the Splash Brothers, Curry and Thompson, the guards. Andrew Wiggins is out there with Green, and it's Thompson in at the 3.
When these two teams face off, you know there's gonna be some extra angst on the court and in the crowd. I'll tell you, rivalries like this really up the intensity.
To the middle, here's Wiggins, takes it up with both hands and rips it down. He's got so far in the first. Here's Tatum, and he's going to the line for 2. The official saw contact while he was going up.
Ever since the back half of last year, Tatum's been on fire. Unstoppable.
And that one falls for Tatum. Say they take Tatum over Doncic and others.
Well, Tatum's a big guy who's only getting bigger. He in his future.
Poole outside. Sinks it from distance.
Easy look when the
Away with it. Oh, and a fast break for the Warriors. Uncovered. And yes, it goes. Got a little English on that one. Poole.
well-oiled machine.
To the paint. To end the run. Oh, Green with a block.
Tremendous edge on the defensive end of the floor.
Shot's good by Thompson. I just love the ball. And the Celtics call time here.
All right, let's see what we got. Come on, time to hook in for the drop. Okay, let's go. back. We're coming down. Okay, let's put him down.
Get into cover!
High ground on the left! Flank up!
Hey, Cole!
Toss a flag if you got more drones! Seriously?
Throwing grenade!
Right here, get back!
Took him out.
All right, we got them all.
I didn't think Scarecrow had what it takes to pull us off. He proved us all wrong. Scarecrow's just getting started. He's been planning it. Batman's here! Someone's fighting over here!
They gave us the slip. With the evacuation, I just don't have the manpower left in the city.